Hello, Oklahoma. Emma White here with your weekly Mesonet weather report. Last week we discussed the ideal conditions for planting and emergence of winter wheat, and this week we'll spend a few moments discussing how to navigate the Mesonet to find winter wheat monitoring tools. Even just monitoring weather conditions is important throughout the growing season. If you go to mesonet.org, you can change the location to one nearest to you and see the weather for that area. More weather information can be found under the tab Weather, which includes maps such as rainfall and temperature, and forecasts can be found under the Forecast tab. From this page, if you click the tab Agriculture at the top, and then click Crops, you'll see the wheat icon. Within wheat, there are several products for decision making. These tools include a degree day calculator, which is an accumulation of temperature throughout the growing season. This product is important to indicate crop development. Another tool is drift risk, which helps compare weather conditions with chemical product labels to decide if chemical drift could be an issue. First hollow stem is a tool to monitor when the winter wheat has developed enough that cattle should be removed from the grazing of those fields. First hollow stem occurs in the spring after winter wheat is no longer dormant. Finally, the irrigation planner can provide information on the estimate of daily evapotranspiration from the winter wheat crop. Gary McManus is up next with your state climatology report.
Thanks, Emma, and good morning, everyone. Well, another chance of rain came through, and we did see some improvements on the drought monitor. We also saw a little bit of worsening in some areas. Let's take a look at that new map. First, let's take a look at the change map. So anywhere you see the green, that's where we improved the drought monitor by one step. And if you see yellow, we worsened it by one step. So some good improvements down in southwest Oklahoma, and also up a little bit in north central Oklahoma, and a little bit of worsening up in north central Oklahoma, very close to where the improvements were. So that's the way it is with Oklahoma rainfall. This is what the actual map looks like. We still have those areas of moderate drought in north central, central and southwest Oklahoma. Again, most of the areas shrunk, including those yellow abnormally dry conditions in those regions, but we still do have drought in Oklahoma, unfortunately. Let's take a look at this 10-day rainfall map from the Oklahoma Mesonet, and we can see where those conditions improved, especially across southwest Oklahoma, their first substantial rainfall really in over 40 days, so great for those folks. But you see up in the Payne County area, Logan County, that region, Pawnee County, we do still have areas that didn't get enough rainfall, and that's where we saw the worsening of the drought. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.